Everyone, welcome to the Let's Learn English with Sanjana. How are you all? Hope you're doing great. In this video, I am going to share with you daily use English conversational sentences, okay, which you can learn and also you can implement it with your kids. Your kids will learn, you will learn, and you will become like fluent if you do daily practice of your English, so you will become, because in this way I also do my English speaking practice. So here I am using some sentences, like how you can ask question, how you can give answer in English, like short and easy and useful sentences. Okay, so watch this video till the very end, and if this video going to be helpful, so make sure like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. So without any further delay, let's start our video. And also you have to repeat after me. Okay, when is the class? When is the class? It starts at 10 a.m. It is- starts at 10 a.m. Will it snow today? Will it snow today? I hope so. I hope so. Am I interrupting? Am I interrupting? Not at all. Not at all. Is anyone here? Is anyone here? No, the room is empty. No, the room is empty. Whom did you meet? Whom did you meet? I met my teacher. I met my teacher. Who is your doctor? Who is your doctor? Dr. Smith. Dr. Smith. How was the meeting? How was the meeting? It went well. It went well. Will you join us? Will you join us? Yes. Count me in. Count me in. Do you like music? Do you like music? Yes, I enjoy it. When did you leave? When did you leave? I left in the morning. I left in the morning. What's happening? What's happening? We are having a picnic. We are having a picnic. Are you excited? Are you excited? Yes, very excited. Yes, very excited. Am I doing it right? Am I doing it right? Yes, you are doing great. Is it snowing? Is it snowing? Yes, it's snowing outside. Am I early? Am I early? Yes, you are. Is this your car? Is this your car? No, it's not mine. Shall we start? Shall we start? Yes, let's begin. Whom should I ask? Whom should I ask? Ask John. Whom did you see? Whom did you see? I saw my cousin. Whose book is this? Whose book is this? It belongs to Maria. How is the food? It's really tasty. It's really tasty. Why her? Why her? Because she is reliable. Because she is reliable. Where is the kitchen? Where is the kitchen? It's upstairs. It's upstairs. Will you join the party? Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Do you need help? Do you need help? No, I can manage. No, I can manage. When will you leave? When will you leave? We will leave in an hour. We will leave an hour. Where is the station? Where is the station? It's 2 blocks away. Do you know him? Yes, he is my neighbor. Yes, he is my neighbor. What's the time? What's the time? It's 3 p.m. It's 3 p.m. When is your appointment? When is your appointment? It's next Monday. It's next Monday. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yes, I am fine. Yes, I am fine. Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Is it nearby? Is it nearby? No, it's a bit far. No, it's a bit far. Is it spicy? Yes, it's very spicy. Yes, it's very spicy. Who is your favorite singer? Who is your favorite singer? Ariana Grande. Who are you tired? Are you tired? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. What do you do? What do you do? I work as a chef. I work as a chef. Who is calling? Who is calling? It's my mom. It's my mom. Is she awake? Is she awake? No, she's sleeping. No, she's sleeping. What's your favorite fruit? I love mangoes. I love mangoes. Do you like painting? Yes, it's my hobby. Yes, it's my hobby. What's your plan? I plan to watch a movie. I plan to watch a movie. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Is this your pen? Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's mine. Who are they? Who are they? They are my classmates. They are my classmates. Where's my phone? It's on the shelf. It's on the shelf. Who is singing? Who is singing? That's my friend Anna. Do you like dogs? Yes, they are adorable. Yes, they are adorable. What should we do? What should we do? Let's go for a movie. Let's go for a movie. What is this? It's mango shake. It's mango shake. Who is coming? My cousins are coming. My cousins are coming. Who is knocking? It's the delivery man. It's the delivery man. What's wrong? I forgot my wallet. I forgot my wallet. Where were you? Where were you? It was at the park. It was at the park. Is he your brother? Yes, he is my younger brother. Yes, he is my younger brother. What is your name? My name is Sophia. My name is Sophia. May, may I join you? Sure, come along. Sure, come along. What are you reading? I am reading a novel. I am reading a novel. Do you like tea? Yes, I love tea. Yes, I love tea. So friends, this was the video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.